All right, now I would like to show you a PowerPoint I've created to help you better understand the workings of my 7th grade geography class. To start off with, my name is Solomon Jordan. I'm your 7th grade social studies teacher this year. I have a bachelor's degree in middle level education with a concentration in history and math. I graduated from the University of South Carolina in 2016. I'm originally from Chesterfield, South Carolina, which is why you can hear the accent so well. Over to the right, what you'll see is that I have my contact information. It is solomon.jordan@richlandone.org. Please feel free to email me with any questions or concerns at any time. I will respond as quickly as I can. All right, to give you a quick overview of the course, this is 7th grade world geography. In 7th grade, students will develop critical thinking and problem-solving skills as they investigate the physical geography, climate, economy, culture, political systems, and demographics of modern countries located in 6 continents. We do not cover Antarctica. We will be looking at the physical and human geography of North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, and Australia and Oceania. The way this class works, there are 2 different types of grades. There's a formative grade and a summative grade. Formatives are 50% and summatives are 50% as well. So formatives are assignments in this category are not eligible for redo opportunities. So because they're more set up to be classwork and checking for understanding assignments, there will be no ability to redo these assignments. This includes homework, classwork, and quizzes. Dates for quizzes are always given in advance. All right, so I will always give the date of a quiz in advance, and I will show you where you will see that. Summatives. Any summative grade that scores 70% or lower is eligible for a redo opportunity 3 times per quarter. So your student has 3 times in 1 quarter to redo any summative and get as high as a 70%. Dates and requirements are given in advance. Details will be posted in Microsoft Teams. The end of quarter or 9 weeks exam is not eligible for redo. So the only summative that is not eligible for redo is the 9 weeks exam or end of quarter exam. So grading procedures in this course, your student will be assigned 3 to 4 formative grades before taking a summative. So I'll give 3 formatives just to make sure, or at least 3 formatives just to make sure that they know the information they need before they take the summative or the test. Formative assignments are designed with the summative test in mind. So when I give a formative, it is covering a part of what will be on the summative. Every assignment that I give is given for a reason, and that will be to help better understand the information you'll need to know on my summative assessments. What do parents need to know to help their students be successful? All right, so these are just a couple of the things. I post all assignments on Teams. To locate assignments, go to the General channel, then click on the Assignments tab at the top. Students must remember to look at new assignments and also check for feedback on completed assignments. These are all accessible through the Assignments tab. And real quick, let me show you how you find this. All right, so this isn't my class, all right, but this is what it looks like. So it would say Jordan Social Studies here. You would click General under that, and then you would click Assignments up top, and it'll pop up with a list of assignments. All right, so that is where you will find your students' assignments. What do parents need to know to help their students be successful in this class? I post everything we do in class to Microsoft Teams, as well as what to use at home for review. So anything that's posted on Teams, it can be used at home for review. If you have not seen our Teams page, please ask your student to show you what he or she sees upon signing in. Students should interact with class material every day. For personal best results, students should spend 15 minutes daily reviewing posted instructional slides or notes, as well as practicing the quizzes or Quizlet study sets online, rather than spending hours the evening before the assessment. So we want to make sure they're not cramming the night before the test. And the way to do that is you can check my teams, and then under the right channel, for example, North America Unit 2, you will see where I've posted quizzes, Quizlets, which are both study resources that can be done independently by your student at any time. All right, so if you want to schedule a parent-teacher conference, the number you will see to the right is what you will call to get in touch with guidance to arrange a parent-teacher conference. So I advise you to get in touch with guidance if that is what you want to do, and their number is 803-738-7224. All right, so this part only applies to honors courses. So 2 of the classes that I have this year, which are B and C block. This class will be more rigorous than general track 7th grade social studies courses and will serve as a foundation for future honors social studies courses. Using a variety of materials, lessons, and activities, students will deepen their understanding of world geography. Students will use analytical thinking skills and primary documents to compare and contrast events. Consider cause and effect relationships and consider links between historical and modern day issues. Your student will use the following steps. They will collect, collaborate, and consolidate. All right, thank you. It is going to be a great year, and like I said, at any time that you have to or need to get in touch with me, please contact me at my email, which is solomon.jordan@richland1.org. Have a great afternoon, and I look forward to having a great year.